So first of all, what is a review paper? I think this is very basic thing and everyone know this. What is the review paper? It is just an art or a science to write a review paper. And there is no thumb rule to write a review. When we start writing any review paper, so what should be the criteria? Suppose from today, we all are writing or we are going to start write a review paper. So what should be the criteria for a review paper? We need to focus on the three important criteria. First is area of research. Means our area of research should be suitable for writing a review paper. Because if we are selecting an area that is not suitable or unsuitable for review, means we did not get the sufficient published literature to review in our paper. So the first point, we need to select or choose a area so that we can get the sufficient number of paper for review. The review paper should be written with the suitable literature. It must include the detailed discussion, sufficient data to support the interpretations and the professional language. The second point is very important when we are writing a review paper because generally at the early stage scholar think that it is just compiling the information from the published research papers. But in actual practice, it is very difficult to write a review paper. Most of the researchers or the experienced, you can say professors, prefer to write a research paper than the review paper because it is more difficult. In research paper, we have the data and we just explore the things, what we have find, and we get published a paper as per our outcome. But in the review paper, we need to extract the important information of the many papers. We need to organize all the information in a plan, or you can say in well mannered to present the data in front of the audience to in an attractive way. And that data must include the detailed discussion with your viewpoint. It must show the any trend. It must show any issue. It must discuss the solutions or the problems provided by the scholars, provided by the earlier researchers. And sufficient result and data must support your interpretations. And all the thing must be written in a professional language style. And a complete review paper should provide the substantial new innovative idea. That is very, very important. This is the main purpose of a review paper. Because anyone, as a scholar, as a researcher, I need, or you can say, I prefer to read a review paper to get some new innovative idea from the existing researchers. Because audience, or you can say scholars, prefer to go through the review paper because it is a advanced notes on a particular topic from the different papers. So it is very easy to read a paper rather than the 80 or 100 paper of the different scholars. So this is the paper, or you can say document, which provides the complete informations of the number of researches of that particular area. So if we are saying that we are looking to write a good review paper, then we need to include these points in our paper. We should focus. We need to consider us as an audience when we are writing a paper as an author. Means what are the expectation of a author when he or she read the paper of the other author? Means as an audience. That is very important. Now, what is the process of writing a review? After proper literature review means we need to review the complete or you can say sufficient literature of a particular research area. We should start writing a review. So this is the complete process of writing a review paper. First of all, plan. It includes the planning about the topic of review, type of review paper, and outline of your review paper. So this is the about, we can say, 30 or 40% of the task. That is the planning. If you have well planned a paper, then it is easy to complete within the predefined time span. You can set the limits as per your outline to complete each and every phase of your paper. After the planning, we need to focus on a journal. We need to select a appropriate journal, because these days the good journals, I'm talking about the SCI journals, top ranked having the good impact factor journals, they prefer to have some specific guideline for presenting the content, for structure of the paper, for formatting, for you can say writing style, for the reference style. So if you are targeting a suitable journal at the earlier stage, then you can write each and everything of your paper in a predefined or according to the requirement of that journal. After targeting, or you can say selection of the journal, first thing is write the first draft of your review paper according to your plan. And it will take about 70 or 80% of the time. Means every component must be written under the first draft. From the title to the references, acknowledgement, each and everything we should write. And after completing the first draft, we need to revise and need to format. Formatting, that is according to the journal guide. And after revising and formatting, the final check, the proofreading to rectify the errors, to rectify the any formatting or any grammatical error, any missing data, and then need to submit the paper to the journal and follow up the, you can say, correspondence of the journal and post submission queries of the journal. So this is the complete process. In the literature review, or you can say writing a review paper, first thing that is important is selection of the review topic. And this topic should be from your domain of your research or any research area of your interest. You may write a review paper on any of the research area is on that is your choice or as per your interest. Second thing is searching and selecting the appropriate articles, appropriate literature. Because once we choose a topic, then we need to search and select the articles, literatures for our writing purpose, for our review purpose. And then once we decide, or you can say select the appropriate articles that are relevant to our topic, we need to extract the information from the different articles. We need to analyze and synthesize the literature. So this is the major part, analyzing and synthesizing the, because as I told that most of the scholars take it very, you can say, easy task, because they start writing this literature review, or you can say review paper, as a summary of the literature, just like a you can say lecture notes. We keep the few books, and on a particular topic we take the information from the different book and make our notes, and then we deliver the same thing to the students during our lecture. But it is a practice of writing, or you can say preparing the advanced notes, that is include each and everything with proper backup of the discussion. And the discussion is the analysis and the synthesis of the information that is available in the literature. So this part is very, very important. And Analyzing and synthesizing will give the new innovative ideas to the readers, to the audience of our paper. And then organization of the content, or you can say writing the review. So once we analyze or synthesize the information, so we need to present that information in the document in the well manner to make it effective presentation. These are the main steps in the review process. And this is common for writing a review paper, or you can say for the literature review process. Because in the both things, we are reviewing the existing information of the any topic. Now, the first part is the choose a review topic. Make sure that review topic and the title of your paper both are, you can say, not same thing. Both are the different. So choosing a review topic, that is a area of any research domain. So your topic should be clearly defined. Just for example, I would like to clear that suppose I am writing a paper on welding, or you can say joining of the two metal. This is just for example, right? So welding, that is the topic. And under this topic, I can select the review of arc welding of steel. That is my title of the paper. But topic is welding. So means this is just for example, because this is you can say referring, or you can say just to identify a particular area that is the specific for the review purpose. Select a review topic that has the sufficient material behind it to warrant a review. Our topic should be selected in such a way that sufficient literature, means number of the research paper should be sufficient. At least if you are writing a good review paper for the SCI journal, at least 100 paper must be there. If you are targeting any Scopus or the other journal, peer reviewed journal, then at least 60 to 70 papers are important. You can say necessary. Identify the broad topic in the discipline that interests you. And when you are selecting a topic and that is broad, so at the same time, we need to check the specific topic, or you need to maintain that particular topic in such a way, you can say narrow or specific in such a way, so that we can clearly focus on the potential review. In the review paper, a depth discussion on a particular information is very, very important. So that your topic should be broad but sufficiently narrow, so that you can focus on a topic in proper depth. Develop the familiarity with the keywords, prime investigators, and issues and controversies in that area. You have to search some literature to get updated about the main investigators, many in any particular issue or the controversy in that area. That is very important if you are selecting a topic for your review purpose. And for this purpose, you may take the help of any expert. You may visit any organization, or you may utilize any AI tool to select the particular topic, so that you can plan effectively about the writing a review. And this is just to you can say select the appropriate topic where you can collect the appropriate information for writing a review paper. And sometimes we select a topic, and when we plan the outlining, then we found that all the information or you can say inclusion of all information of that topic is very difficult to manage or present in a single paper. So in such cases, we need to refine the topic. And refining of topic maybe you can say using any particular time period limit, any geographic area limit, or any population or person limit. So these are the few parameter or subject you can utilize this parameter to limit to narrow down your topic, or vice versa. Sometimes you have selected a topic and you did not you can say getting the appropriate number of the article, then you can make your topic broaden on the basis of this parameter. You can extend your geographical area, you can extend the particular time period, or you can include the more populations and the persons. So there is one example of refining a topic. Suppose we have selected uh, the COVID-19. That is the topic of our review. So if you are getting a large number of the paper using this keyword or on in this topic, then we can limit, we can make specific our topic like this COVID-19 in India. It may be narrowed down to our appropriate number of the papers. Or you may write like this, or you can say select COVID-19 India and its impact on women and its impact on children, or impact on men. So this type of the limit can refine your topic so that you can get the appropriate number of paper for easy review and provide the you can say information in that. And you can take the help of professor, supervisor, colleague, or any part of that area to refine your topic. Some important thing, topic need to be one that interests you. That is very important. Second thing, spend a lot of time reading and thinking about the subject, about the topic you are selecting for your review. Then make sure it is one that hold your attention. And after selecting the topic, you can visit any library, or you can use the online database and search the journal article published in the selected area. So you can conduct a literature survey. You can collect the papers on your selected topic. So explore the articles available by doing a quick search from the different database on the selected topic or on the selected area. Now, when you are searching the literature, so how you will create your search to collect the data? So think about your topic and the word that best describe your topic. Means the keywords, strong keywords of your research domain. Suppose our topic is like this, we are looking for a device used to feel that an automobile driver is starting to fall asleep behind the wheel. So in this case, our keywords may be like this: sleepiness, driver, sensing, automobile. If you search the result in the thousands, means when we use these keywords and we will get the thousands of the papers, then we need to refine our area so that we can limit the number of literature or number of the research papers.